Welcome students of Standard 9. Today we are going to study History Lesson 3, India's Internal Challenges. In this lesson we are going to learn some internal challenges like the separatist movements, issues of Northeast India, Naxalism, communalism and regionalism. Let us first begin with the unrest in Punjab. Now Punjab is a state in the northern part of India. You can also open your textbook, children, and see on map page number 14. This is the map of India. Here you can see this is Punjab and here there is Chandigarh. Now there was unrest in Punjab. So what were the reasons for this unrest? We are going to see now. Akali Dal was the major political party in Punjab. In 1973, Akali Dal passed Anandpur Sahib resolution. Now according to the resolution, they made the following demands for the state of Punjab. Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. Then the Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. Recruitment of people from Punjab in the army should be increased and more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. In 1977, Akali Dal came into power. When they came into power, along with those demands, they also demanded larger share of river water for Punjab, holy city status for Amritsar. Now in 1980, movement for independent Khalistan started in Punjab. Their leader, the leader of this Akali Dal was Sant Harcharan Singh Longowal. He used to direct the activists from the Golden Temple to stage protests. On the other side of the temple, armed followers under the staunch Khalistan supporter Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale started to gather. Terrorist activities began in Punjab. Later, in 1981, Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale was arrested for being accused of the murder of newspaper editor Lala Jagat Narayan. The situations worsened further in Punjab and in 1983, President's rule had to be imposed. Now, Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale went to stay at a religious place called Akal Takht. His followers captured the Golden Temple. They put sand barricades all around and that area looked like a fort. Now it was necessary to bring peace in Punjab. This task was given to the army. Operation Blue Star. Now operation means a military expedition undertaken to complete a particular task. Peace had to be restored and the terrorists had to be captured. So this work was entrusted to Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. This operation, this mission began on 3rd June 1984. In this operation, the military functioned with great restraint and on 6th June, this mission ended with the death of Bhindranwale and other terrorists. Again, in 1986, Operation Black Thunder had to be taken again against the terrorists in the Golden Temple. So, in this way, later on, peace was restored in Punjab. Now, till here, children, we will read what I taught you. India's internal challenges. We shall see some internal challenges like separatist movements, issues of Northeast India, Naxalism, communalism and regionalism. The unrest in Punjab. Akali Dal was the major political party in Punjab. In 1973, the Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution. The following demands were made in this resolution. Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. The Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. Recruitment of people from Punjab in the Indian Army should be increased and more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. Akali Dal came to power in Punjab in 1977. While taking charge, they asked for a larger share of river waters for Punjab, holy city status for Amritsar, etc., along with their other old demands. In 1980, movement for independent Khalistan took root in Punjab. During that period, the leader of the Akali Dal was Sant Harcharan Singh Longowal. He used to direct his activists from the Golden Temple to stage protests. On the other side of the Golden Temple, armed followers started gathering around the staunch Khalistan supporter Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale. During that period, terrorist activities had begun. Bhindranwale was arrested in 1981, accused of the murder of newspaper editor Lala Jagat Narayan. After this incident, the situation worsened. Due to these developments, President's rule was imposed in Punjab in 1983. Bhindranwale went to stay at a religious place called Akal Takht. Bhindranwale's followers captured the Golden Temple and built a barricade of sandbags over there. The area looked like a fort. This greatly disturbed the peace in Punjab. It was a major challenge to Indian democracy. Operation Blue Star. A military expedition taken up with a particular objective is called an operation. Operation Blue Star was an operation undertaken to evict the terrorists hiding in the Golden Temple. The main task of getting the terrorists out of the Golden Temple was entrusted to Major General Kuldeep Singh Brar. On the morning of 3rd June 1984, the mission Operation Blue Star started. The operation ended on 6th June. In this military operation, the Indian Army functioned with great restraint. The operation ended with the death of Bhindranwale and other terrorists. In 1986, an operation had to be conducted against terrorists in the Golden Temple once more. It was called Operation Black Thunder. After this action was taken, the process of establishment of peace in Punjab picked up momentum. Now children, read this lesson till where I taught you. In the second part, we are going to study the issues concerning Northeast India. Thank you.